Hey guys, it's your boy Yashvia Gaming. Well, if you're new to this channel, please like the video, share the video, and hit that subscribe button. Okay, so in this tutorial, guys, today I'm gonna show you how you're gonna use the new OpenBullet cookies edition. Okay, where you're gonna download it and how you're gonna use it. Okay, so here's the link. All you have to do is just search OpenBullet Cookie Edition 1.3.1 on Google, and you'll be brought to this GitHub page. Click this assets and release raw. Okay, download this and extract it to your desktop. Okay, and right here just put your Netflix configs. All right, go back, double click this, it should open like this. Okay, and right here, let's say you have your logs on is your zip file or raw file, whatever, WinRAR. What you want to do is to extract. Okay, so once you extract it, it's gonna be logs right here. So let's say this is an example of logs. Okay, here what are example of logs. Okay, so then what you want to do, you want your proxies, you want to click cookies, you want to add the cookies logs. So click here and then choose the logs right here. You want to select the folder, you want to hit accept. Okay, so this is an example. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna load my logs right there. Okay, so as you can see, I loaded my logs. I have over 58,000. Okay, which is good. And then all you want to do is to just launch this. Now when you click your word list, you won't be able to select the word list. Okay, so what you need to do is to click click on the status and then load from here. Click select list, and now you will be able to select the logs. Okay, select that, turn like 30 bots, turn on proxies. Okay, and then just simply hit the start button. So now, as you can see, we are cracking. We're currently cracking using the proxy script. And if you do get hits, it's gonna be saving the hits into the hits will be saved in the cookies right there. You're gonna see cookies and the Netflix folder, and you will be able to see the logs. Okay, alright guys, so as you can see, we've been getting hits on Amazon Prime. Let's see. You can see that a lot of shits. Okay, so let's say how you wanna log in. Okay, in Amazon, let's say this one has, let's see, this one has a subscription. Let's find a subscription with active, and I'm also gonna show you how you're gonna log in. Okay, this one has active, has orders 31. Okay, all right, I found it. Yeah, here it is. So what you want to do is to select all right here. Make sure that you install cookie editor. You can go to options and make sure that you allow each and every permission. Okay, about cookie editor for Firefox or Google Chrome, and then just go to Amazon.com. All right, make sure. And as you can see right here, Amazon says to sign in. Okay, watch this. I'm gonna click on it all and then import and then paste. You don't need to convert it to JSON or whatever. Okay, even the Netscape. This right here is Netscape. Okay, it will work. Okay, just like paste, like import. Okay, cookies were imported, and just simply reload this page. As soon as you reload, I'm inside the account right there.